So within the bird segment, Vivo launched a new phone. It's called 29. When I started or used this phone, the same question came to my mind, brother, why did you launch this phone? Because no matter how its specs and features are, this bird segment is not being able to become a very clear phone from anywhere, and I don't like it anywhere, and I will also explain to you in detail what is the reason. Some specs are good, but some specs are so bad that they will make you cry if you spend money on them. I have purchased the box from the offline market. I almost got this 14T500, and the variant I have is the charging variant, which has 28 GB of storage. If you talk about the box, you will find a phone inside the box. You get a charger for the phone, a charging cable is also provided, and you get yours. The color of the phone I have is diamond black. Just now, the diamond black color, he said, you will see blue in appearance. If you use this phone in the morning, you will see blue. But they have put the name diamond black because you can see a light linings here. There is a texture that is placed on the back side. It has a full plastic body. On the back, you can see glass in the front. On the side, you can see your aluminum frame here. Branding is done. The camera model that you have will seem familiar to you, almost similar. Then here you get volume lockers on the side. There is a power on off button that also works as a fingerprint sensor. What is here at the bottom has given you a 3.5mm jack, which has done a good job. There are a lot of users who need it. A Type-C code is given. Along with this, you get a speaker grid and a microphone. If you come to the top, then here you get to see the Echo speaker grill. Then it comes with a dual speaker setup, which is a very good thing. Inside the segment, in the rest of the front, you get to see the same punch hole display of 6.68 inches in which your baselets are quite large on the side. And normally you will get to see the IPS LCD panel over here. Talking about the brightness, its brightness is better. Meaning if you want to use it normally outdoors as well, if it has a brightness of 1000 needles, then you will be able to use it. There will be no problem. The rest is normal. I mean, you don't get to see AMOLED, etc. At this price, there are not many brands that offer this because look, technically better than your normal IPS LCD. If I talk here, you get HD plus resolution. You cannot enjoy the content of 4 on YouTube. You can normally watch the full HD content. If there is no support for 4K, then it means that you do not get HDR and so on here. It is a very basic display. This means that your normal usage functionalities are available here. Well, the good thing is that this smoothness is enough that it comes with a refresh of 120 Hz. This means that these 120 Hz refresh rate in today's phones has become very common and basic. Except for all iPhones, the display you have here is fine. Colors, etc. come out good, and you did not understand these samples. That visually means if you want to watch some movies, etc. or watch some content on it. Here are 2 speakers for entertainment purpose. He has 6300 chips of Dimensional City. Now, some brands or CMF are closed and Brandy is available at the same pricing. Now, talking about this phone, experience-wise was lagging a lot. Meaning, I noticed some lags, etc. in the UI. And if I have opened multiple applications here, then somewhere this phone makes you feel like hanging. Then the technical processor is not so good. 6300, which is installed in it, can give you a basic performance. Normal WhatsApp, etc. You are running, watching videos, etc. Not at all for heavy tasking and for gaming, so do not consider this phone anywhere because you will not get to see anything but lag and lag. So what the processor is, I thought it disappoints. If you look in this price range, then there are better options available in the market and you could have invested. I mean, Brandy Bhaiya can give input on all these things. So you get to see this disappointing part. Apart from this, the camera will disappoint a lot because you get to see the same sensor. It has a 50 megapixel sensor on the back. Beck and I have given you a pistol sensor in 8. The rest of the 2 things below are absolutely things. This light also overlit thing you do not get to see here. The light is basically dynamic light, means if notifications etc. are coming, music etc. are playing, then this works there. Now let me talk about the camera, look at the photos etc. There is nothing special, there are decent photos. Normals can do small tasks like QR scanning, brother. The selfie camera on the front is also very nice. Meaning you can take normal photos etc. Well, if you talk about the video quality, then you also get very Everest and you cannot record more than 1080p. You can see the light under the camera, right? This light is basically a dynamic light. Meaning if your notifications etc. are coming, you are playing music etc. then this works there. It is not like Aura light which helps you in clicking folders etc. For that, I have given you a flash here which is normal. So first there was confusion. The confusion has been cleared that all these normal things have been given to you for notification and from half to the next feature, the battery performance, which is a good thing. But now the batteries in the market have been greatly improved and 6000 download you get to see Hatch's batteries. What if you're using a regular phone? After charging, you get to see the charging, which is 44 watts. It is very fast. Speed charging is not available. Normal 45 watts is available here. The rest of the band is also very old. It comes with Wi-Fi 5 and has a 5.4 AK. And which is an important thing for many people in today's time is NFC. You also do not get that in this phone, and water rating, etc. is also nothing special. It looks like the phone's light flex and so on. It will survive. The basic features that you have are given here inside the phone, especially the ones that Android 14 has given here, and these are their own OS. The equally has the same performance as normal earphones, but you have always been complaining at that time that there are a lot of bloatware. The useless application that is made available to you here too, so you cannot remove them. Some apps get deleted, some you can just disable. So this phone is basically a disappointing phone at the price of Rs 15,000, and I personally will tell you that do not buy this phone at all, do not check out at all.